Here I have Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, and today I'm going to show you how to change photo resolution in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on this middle icon here, and here you have like only two different resolutions. You have like 3-on-4 50 megapixels and 3-on-4 just like some less megapixels. I'm not sure like how many megapixels this one has, but 50 megapixels is your like maximum highest photo resolution. So yeah, you can just set like super high quality, super high resolution, or just normal resolution. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.